Ready for your next one? Say horse. Horse. Good job. Use your horse. Go. Look at this one. Zebra. Can you say zebra? Zebra. There you go. You win. Hammer. Can you say hammer? Hammer. How about this one? Grapes. 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 Yeah, great. There you go. Don't break your cards. Don't fold them up. Alright. Yay, look how many you won already. Alright.
Now?
Look at this. You know what that is?
Nut.
Yes, it's nut. What kind?
Nine.
Look at mommy. Apple. Can you say apple? Apple. Apple. Here you go. What's this one?
Nut.
Yeah, it's a snack. What kind? Orange. Orange. Good job. Here you go.
Yellow.
There you go. What's this?
Yellow. Nine.
Ice cream. Can you say ice cream? Ice cream. There you go. Good job. Alright, look at this one. You know that one? Wagon.
Mommy.
Say wagon.
That.
Wagon.
That.
Say wagon. Look at mommy. Wagon. Yay! There you go. This is purple. Purple. Can Charlie say purple?
Mama.
Yay! You win.
Yeah.
Alright, another color. Green. Green. Good job. Okay. Brown. Brown. Look at this one. White. 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 Good job. That's yours. See this color? Black. Can you say black? Look at mommy. Black. You don't like that one? How about this one? Look. Red. Yes? Look at this one. You want red? Say red. Red? Look. I'll get them. Blue? Good job. Yellow. Say yellow. Yellow? Good job. Alright, look at this one. Book.
B.
Book.
Uh-oh.
Here you go.
But.
Look. This one is a key.